Hey guys, what's going on? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the game Gangster Vegas for iOS and Android. So as you can see guys, we're poor, but in the mod menu, we can turn on unlimited diamonds. So I'm going to turn it on right here and let's see if our diamonds go up. So as you can see guys, these are the values in the account. It's really bad, but hopefully we will see a rise on our Gangster Vegas account. So let's see what happens. Hopefully it does go up. So let's see. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Gangster Vegas hack for iOS and Android. Super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to download the mod. Okay, so what we're going to do is go over to our browser and we're just going to go on the website tweakmod.com. Okay, so on this site guys, what I want you to do is type in Gangster Vegas and here's the game. So go ahead and press install, and before it downloads guys, there is going to be a verification step. So this is the last step, and what we need to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for it to load. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a second. So it's loading right now. All right, so we'll just let it load up. All right, here we go. So as you can see guys, it is taking us to the last step. So basically, as you can see, it says missing files. So what we need to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app stores. So like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. Or I could do like TikTok, which says down run for 30 seconds. Underdog, same thing. So I'm going to see you guys later, but make sure you do 2 of those and you're good to go.